f and g are the functions below. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1, while g of x is equal to 3 times x minus 1. For 6 marks, define A, B and C to complete the following table. First, work out fg of x, then g to the minus 1 of x, then f to the minus 1 of 3. Firstly, fg of x means first do g of x, then do f of x. F of x tells us to multiply x by 2 and then add 1. So to do fg of x, we need to multiply 3x minus 1 all by 2 and then separately add 1. If we expand this and simplify, we get that fg of x is equal to 6x minus 5 for 2 marks. To then work out the inverse of g, the best method is to replace g of x with y. So y equals 3 lots of x minus 1, and then rearrange so that x is the subject of the formula, and then replace y with x to get the final answer. So if we rearrange y equals 3 times x minus 1, we get that x is equal to y over 3 plus 1, giving us that the inverse of g is x over 3 plus 1, because we replace y with x. Finally, f to the minus 1 of 3, we need to first work out f to the minus 1 of x, and then plug in 3, or set 2x plus 1 to equal 3, rearrange to get a value of x that works. If we first work out the inverse, if we do the inverse method, we set y equals 2x plus 1, we rearrange to make x the subject and replace x with y, we get that the inverse function for f is x minus 1 over 2. If we substitute in 3, we get 3 minus 1 over 2, or 2 over 2, which equals 1. We can check this by plugging back in. F of 1 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 1, which equals 3, which is what we expected.